This video walks you through how to enter Lyft 1099-NEC income in TurboTax. Start by signing in to your TurboTax account and opening your tax return. Once you are inside the return, look to the left-hand menu and click Federal. From there, select Income so you are in the section where earnings and tax forms are entered. Scroll down until you reach Self-Employment. Next to Self-Employment Income and Expenses, also called Schedule C, click Start or Review, depending on what appears in your return. This opens the area where TurboTax sets up your rideshare work as a business activity. In the field labeled I work in, type rideshare driving or Lyft driving business, then click Continue. On the next screen, choose rideshare driving as the work category that best matches your business, and continue again. TurboTax will then ask how you classify this work. Select the option that fits your situation. That might be your main or only source of income, a side job for extra money, or a business you own and operate. After making that selection, click Continue. You will now be asked whether you started or stopped rideshare driving during the tax year. Answer based on your situation. If you started during the year, enter your start date, then continue to the next screen. The next questions cover a few business details. Indicate whether you paid any W-2 employees during the year, then continue. After that, answer whether you made payments that require filing Form 1099, such as payments to contractors of $600 or more, and move through any follow-up questions that appear. If TurboTax asks whether you have an employer identification number, select the option that matches your business. If you do not have one, choose No, I do not, and continue. You may then see a Less Common Situations screen. If none of the listed situations apply to your rideshare business, choose None of these apply and continue. If one of those situations does apply, select it before moving forward. TurboTax will show a summary of your rideshare driving information. Review that page carefully and confirm that the business details are correct. When everything looks right, click Continue. On the screen titled Let us enter the income for your rideshare driving work, look under Common Income and select Form 1099-NEC. Then click Continue to begin entering the form details from Lyft. Enter the payer name as Lyft. If your form shows the payer's EIN, enter it in the EIN field. Then enter the amount from Box 1, Non-Employee Compensation. Make sure the amount matches your Lyft 1099-NEC before you move on. Continue through the remaining prompts to enter any business expenses, review your Schedule C information, and complete the filing process inside TurboTax. Your Lyft 1099-NEC income is now entered in TurboTax under your Schedule C self-employment return.